That one's just going straight. Okay. Oh. Wow.
Do you like it, Lexi? Dabba-da. We're pretty far away. On the water.
Come here, you can stand in the water too. I'm not going to do it.
That one was cool.
Hold on. Why that looks like it's really loud. That one takes me that long. Ow! Like,
Ow! Lexi. Ow! My favorite color.
oh, that one's cool. At least not another one. It's really tiny on the camera.
I know. That's gonna be pretty. No, it isn't. It's ugly. Those two that went up just sounded you couldn't.
Oh, that one's
Lexi. Did you see that one just didn't go anywhere?
yeah. Like somewhere really close to the ground.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty.
Ah! I wonder how you make that.
You make them?
What?
You make them?
Yeah.
You still see that one, didn't you? See where it says.
Oh, that's so cool. It's like a boat. Why don't people go canoeing down the river while they see this?
Is that what they're doing?
No, they try to do it. And like they'll anchor out.
Well, that was just.
What is that? What a duck.
What a duck.
I didn't know ducks could fly.
Didn't actually fly.
Look.
Wow.
Did you see that one? It's all the way to the ground.
Circle. Yeah. No, we're just going to the rain.
That one was pretty good. Aww.
This is really close to the ground. Something just weird.
It looks like they're going straight toward us, Kirsten.
I'm turning that way. them. They're going straight to the car.
You can see it on the water too.
Do they like turn all brights off at 11
Oh.
so they can do something spread?
That one of the ones that are like, really cool. They shot them off the. That was really cool, but it didn't show up on the camera.
Why have this going off right next to it? Look how close they are. Wow,
I don't like it.
is that a railroad? Or is it?
I can't. The trees are in the way, kind of. Right here. No, keep going down.
Yeah, woo-hoo.
Woo!
That was louder.
Come here, sister. You're going in.
Yes, she's mean. Put her in.
You're going in. She said it's time to throw somebody in the water. I said, come here. You're going in.
I don't want to. Well,
Did you see them fireworks? Was that you going pow?